Good morning, student. Page number 263, Unit 8, Financial Statement Analyze. Now discuss what do you mean by financial statement of analyze. Financial statement is prepared by the business concern and end of the accounting period. Accounting period means you started your business 1st April 2000 every year and end of the 31st March of every year. It is a prepare for the financial statement of each concern for the our business. The operating result of financial position, for the why you prepare for the financial statement, for the financial position, your financial company very dull or very high level you develop or moderate level, for the financial position you operate for the accounting statements. The financial statement prepared by the business concern and income statement and balance sheet. You prepare for the financial statement, income statement or the expense or financial statement of balance sheet asset and liabilities, for the balance sheet. Income and expense statement, for the profit or loss for the your business. It is for the meaning of the financial statement. It is a simple concept for financial statement. Once again, financial statement prepared by the business concern. It is a first concept. Each and end of the every year prepare for the financial statement is second point. For the financial position for the financial statement. It is a third point. It is a very important for the meaning of financial statement. Now simple concept, simply say for the page number 263, the statement of profit or loss. Okay, different large big size of the formats is available, but simply say for the first 3 and 4 concept only say particulars, note number, figures and current reporting periods and previous reporting periods. It is simple concept only say for the certain concept. First from letter, revenue from operation, you type for the revenue from operation, and point 2 other income. Point 3 total revenue means point number 1, point number 2, it is a order for it is the total revenue from operation, how much rupees earn for the revenue, and other income earn for the revenue. It is a total for the two concepts only for the revenue. It's odd for the third point. It is a total, first one, second one ordered. Then fourth point, expense for less for the total revenue, less for the expense. It is for the simple concept. Another one concept for the less for taxes, less for expense, and another point for less for taxes. Discuss for the this side. Okay, simply say for the certain concept for the sum. Next, how to prepare for the preparation of comparative statement. How to prepare for the comparative statement? First of all, what do you mean by the comparative statement? Different types analysis for the comparative statement. Page number 269. The tools of financial statement analysis. What are the tools involved for the financial statement? The financial statement means for the financial position for the income statement, or the profit or loss or balance sheet. It different methods is followed. One is comparative statement method, another one is common size statement method, third one is trend analysis method. This is next fund flow analysis, cash flow analysis. Is a different concept available, but somely work for only for the three concept: trend analysis, common size, comparative statement analysis. Only for the you study for the sum for the financial statement analysis. Now first concept, what do you mean by comparative statement? The comparative statement for the net increase or decrease of individual item. You compare for the this year and the previous year, compare for increase or asset or the decrease of asset. It is a comparative. Compare means compare 1 year to another year. It's a compare. It's increase or decrease of individual item each and every year. It is no for the comparative statement. The financial statement or 2 or more year of business concern is called the comparative statement. Comparative statement means 2 or more year of business concern is called for the comparative statement. It is for comparative statement meaning. Simply say, what in by comparative statement? The statement giving comparison for increase or decrease of individual financial status. Increase or decrease of financial status. 2 or more years compare for the business. It is called for comparative statement. Now How to prepare for the comparative statement? How to preparation for the comparative statement? The comparative statement have 5 columns followed by the step by step. First column 1, the particular item income statement balance. You know, for the particular item and income statement particulars column. Column 2, absolute amount for the first year, take for the absolute amount for the first year. Column 3, absolute amount for the second year. Only be absolute only given for the question. Column 2, column 3, you automatic total amount you take for the absolute amount first year and second year. Next step, compare for the first year, second year. What is how much rupees decrease, how much rupees amount of increase, you compare that. It is for the comparative statement. First of all, take for the sum. We write follow for base year, first year and second year. Next column 4. So the different amount between first year and second year. What is difference first year and second year? What is different? It is called for the fourth column. You write last column. So the percentage of increase and decrease first year, second year. You first of all take right first year, second year, third year. What is different for first year, second year? You write for the third year. Fourth column, what is means another fourth year? It is for what is percentage of third column. Third column, what is different percentage for third column? It is for the yes column based on the comparative statement. Comparative statement is here for 5 columns available. First column only write for the income and expense statement. Second column you write for the first year amount. Third column write for the second year amount. Fourth column, what is different between first year and second year difference amount, you write. Last column, you calculate for the percentage. It is simply say you know for the concept, you understand for the workout for the sum. Simple format for comparative statement. But see the is easy understand for this format. Format of comparative statement. Particulars. What are these? Total revenue, for example, total revenue, total other incomes, less any expense. It is says give for the particular columns. First year 2019, how much rupees income, expense, it is for the first year. Second year 2020, how much rupees income, expense is for the second year. Absolute amount increase or decrease, so compare for the second year. Increase or decrease means minus, increase means plus. It is for last column means fifth column, you calculate for the percentage. It is simple concept for the financial statement for the comparison. Now discuss for the illustration 1. From the following particulars, prepare for comparative income statement Tarun Limited. Now see the revenue from operation, particular columns. Revenue from operation first years 2016 to 17, 17 to 18. Other income 50,000, 40,000. Expense 1,50,000, 1,20,000. Now this year for income expense for 2016 and 17. This column for is 2017, 18 income and expense. Income you order how much rupees? Revenue from operation. Revenue means income 2 lakhs. Other income total ordered 2 lakhs. 50,000 less expense for last column expense. Are same concept. First two incomes order less per expense. Now see the sum. Comparative income statement Tarun Limited, you write for the proper headings. Okay, then you write for the sum. For the year ended 31st March 2017 and 31st March 2018. Particulars, you take for first column revenue from operation, how much rupees question given for the 2 lakhs, you write 2 lakhs automatically. 2016 to 17. 18 19, how much rupees? 2 lakh 50,000, you write for the 2 lakh 50,000, you write. Other incomes, the income is automatic total order. Other incomes 50,000. Second year 40,000. But 2 lakh and 50,000, it is called total revenue. Up 2 lakhs and 50,000, 2 lakh 50,000. 17, 18 years, our 2 lakh 50,000 divided. So 2 lakh 50,000. Other income 40,000. Order for 2 lakh 90,000. It is for the income. Now less expense, how much rupees given for the question? 1 lakh 50,000, 1 lakh 20,000. 2 lakh 50,000 minus 1 lakh 50,000 less for 1 lakh. 2 lakh 90,000 less 1 lakh 20,000, 1 lakh 70,000. It is the profit before tax. Profit before tax is called. Simply say given directly given for the question revenue from operation, other income, expense. Three concepts given for the question. You write directly revenue from operation first year, second year, or other income first year, second year. It is a revenue total for the first year and second year. Then less for the expense, how much rupees income you less for the amount. It is called for profit before tax. Profit before tax. Sometimes I'll give for the profit after tax. Okay, not less for the tax, it is called profit for tax. Suppose less for tax, it is called for profit after tax. It is a simple concept. Is this one for the comparative statement. Now particular column 1 is completed, column 2 is completed, column 3 is completed, column 4 the absolute amount of increase and decrease. Increase means plus, decrease means minus. It's simple concept. You compare for the first year 2 lakhs, you compare for the second year, last year 2 lakh 50,000. You compare for last year, you based on increase 50,000. Only consider for the last year. Up 2 lakhs, you 50,000, 2 lakh 50,000. Up increase for the 50,000. You plus and put the 50,000. Second, other income. 50,000, you say 40,000. You based on last year compare. Last year means 70 to 18. If you less than means minus 10,000. 50, 40 up less up minus 10,000. Total revenue automatically you order for 2 lakh 50, 2 lakh 90. If automatically plus increase up plus 40,000. Expense 1 lakh 50, 1 lakh 20. It is a less. Is compare for last year base less. Up less 30,000. Last profit 1 lakh 70 increase up plus 70,000. It is called for the absolute amount of increase and decrease. Plus or minus is based on the last year. Last concept column 5. Percentage of increase or decrease. Percentage of increase or decrease. Now find out for the percentage. Give the formula compared to percentage of increase or decrease. The absolute amount of increase or decrease. How much rupees absolute amount increase or decrease you take for the top of the number. Part first year amount. First year means first year amount how much rupees. First year amount how much rupees each and every concept take for the first 2 lakh 50,000. 2 lakh is the first year amount into 100. It is the simple concept for the divide for the formula. Now first one 25%. We take for the what formula? The absolute amount of increase. Absolute amount of increase. Increase or decrease. It is a formula. First year amount into 100. It is the simple formula for in the percent calculate for the percentage. First based on first column it is increase or decrease. You see increase a plus. You automatically take for the plus. How much rupees? 50,000 divided what formula? First year amount 2 lakhs into 100. Now divided 1 2 3 1 2 3 remaining 2 into 25 into 50. Up percentage for plus 25%. Plus 25. Second year based on find increase or decrease. It is a decrease. Up take for the minus. You take for the decrease value. How much rupees? 10,000. Divided. It is based on first year. This year first year with other income 50,000. Up I take for the 50,000 into 100. Divided now 2 into 2 remaining 100. Suppose you divide 2 into 5 10. Automatic for the remaining 0 order for 20%. Second year for minus 20%. Third year same concept. You take for the 40,000. You plus automatically take 40,000 divided 2 lakh 50,000 into 100. Next 30,000 divided 1 lakh 50,000 into 100. Last 70,000 divided 1 lakh into 100. It is the simple concept for the comparative statement illustration 1. Okay. Next same concept. 5 sum first illustration 1 2 3 4 5. Sum is just different and concept is same for the first illustration 5 for the comparative statement. Now discuss about illustration 2. From the following particulars prepare the comparative statement of the limited. Revenue from operation, other income, expense, income tax. Simple concept. It is for the 15 to 16, 17, 16 to 17. It is a year only different. This concept is same for each every sum. Now, comparative income statement for the year ended given for the question. Now, particulars, you directly write the question. Directly first of all write this concept for the question. Revenue from operation, you write 2 years 16 to 17, 16 to 15 to 16, 16 to 17. Next, other income is for the just income is added. Apart other income 1,60,000. Automatically you add 3 lakh, 4 lakhs. So 3 lakh 60, 60, 4 lakh 20,000 is added. It is called for total revenue. You write for the total revenue. Now the expense, less for the income, less for the expense. Okay. About 2 lakhs, inge 1,80,000. Less expense 22 lakhs, 1,80,000. It is called for the profit before tax. It's concept on previous sum illustration 1. This concept only for the 3 lakhs. Now it is a next concept given for additional information. Income tax 30%, 30% is up. Profit before tax, it is called 2 lakh 40,000. If you give for the question like income tax 30%, you automatically calculate for the 2 lakh and 2 lakh 40,000, take for the 30% less per tax. How much will be 30%? Now find out for the tax. First column 2 lakhs 30% divided 100. 30% divided 100. Now find out for 30% is 0. Remaining 0. If now 3 into 2 6. How much rupees? Remaining 0. 1 2 3 4. Up 60,000 for the tax. 30% for 60,000 first. Second 30% for the year 16 to 17. Up you take for the profit before tax. How much rupees? 2 lakh 40,000. 2 lakh 40,000 into divided 30%. 30 divided 100. Up 0 divided remaining 3 into you take for the order for divided multiple for the 3. 0 0 0 12 remaining 1 6 7 up 72,000. 72,000 take for the second year called for 72,000. It is called the less tax for the profit for tax. Up 2 lakh minus 60,000, 1 lakh 40,000. 2 lakh 40,000 divided 72,000, 1 lakh 68,000. It is for the additional concept for the second sum. It is the same absolute amount. Third column, fourth column, increase or decrease. 3 lakh 60,000 is based on the second year. Upper 60,000 is plus. First year it is for the less. My up minus 40,000. 4 lakh 4 lakh plus 20,000. It is 2 lakh 1,80,000. It's a less. Upper 20,000. It is for the absolute limit for the fourth column. Now find out the percentage. How to calculate percentage? Already told you increase how much rupees 60,000 is based on first year 3 lakhs. Now discuss for first column 60,000. This is what formula? Formula already told you increase or decrease for the each every year divided first year base amount into 100. If increase or decrease how much rupees? First column increase for the 60,000. It take for the 60,000. First year how much rupees? First year base of 3 lakhs. It take for the 3 lakhs. Divided 100. It is a formula divided 100. Divide 2 0 divided remaining 1 2 3 1 2 3 remaining 2 into 3 6 up 20% for the first year concept. We add for the plus. Second how much? Minus 40,000. Up you take for the 40,000 divided first year based on 1 lakh. Only take for the first year each and every year take for the first year amount. 40,000 my divided 1 lakh into 100. Next 20,000 divided 4 lakhs into 100. And 40,000 divided 2 lakhs into 100. 12,000 divided 60,000 into 100. It is concept for the illustration 2. Now discuss illustration 3. It is same concept for the second illustration. The following particulars prepare the comparative income statement Meyer Limited is a same simple concept. Revenue from operation, operating expense, income tax give for the profit for tax 20%. Now other same concept. First of write the question revenue from operation 2 years less operating expense is only given for the x2 concept previous sum given for the revenue from operation plus additional income இங்க only given for the income and expense plus tax அப்போ less operating expense you are directly you less for the each year 2 lakhs to 3,20,000 less profit for tax income tax how much rupees 20%. Already told you how to calculate income tax. You take for the profit 2 lakhs divided 20%. I take a simply in the given for the 2 lakhs into 20%. How to calculate percentage? 2 lakhs into 20%. 20 divided 100. 0 divided revenue 0 1 multiple 2 are 1 2 3 4 about 40,000 for the first year for the tax for the 40,000. You write the income tax. Second concept are the same 3,20,000 divided 50%. Up 1,60,000. Automatically less for the this value. Is the same increase plus increase less minus 20,000. Increase plus 1,20,000. This is the same concept. Percentage also you know already how to calculate percentage. 1 lakh divided 4 lakh into 100. 20,000 divided 2 lakhs into 100. You take for the direct plus or minus. Lastly you take. Otherwise you compare for the divided for the this concept. Illustration 3. Adhe same concept. Illustration 4. But just some question only just different. Otherwise concept is same simple concept. The following balance sheet prepare for the comparative statement. Given for the question, equity is divided for the asset separate and liability. It is 2 columns separately given for the question. Otherwise, nothing different. Equity and liability, shareholder fund, non-current liability, current liabilities, totals, asset, non-current asset, total. Here 2 columns given. Directly take for the question or take for the answer. Answer you type for the directly, right? Comparative statement Chandra Limited that based on take for the question take for the question equities and liabilities and asset directly you take and here also you directly you take for the question. It is called for the question. Other only answer simply for the is compare decrease or increase or decrease. It is only additional concept. Other percentage of increase or decrease it is simple only for the question only just different. Don't confuse. It is the same concept. Directly take for the what is given for the question or how much rupees you automatically take for the all the amount for the this value. Same concept. Other illustration 5 is also same. From the following particulars prepare comparative balance sheet of Meyer Limited. It is based on the fourth sum. Equities and liabilities, what are these given? Asset, what are these given? 2 years 16 to 17 is the additional question. You directly take for the answer. It is for the question. It is called for the question. Only increase or decrease only you write for the each and every year. You find out the how to percentage for the you know for the each illustration 1 2 3 4 5 also is completed. It is concept is over. This same concept exercise number given page number 286. Okay, exercise is a homework for the students. Comparative statement analysis illustration 1 exercise 1 2 3 4 5 with 5 sum is for the student homework exercise question. Any doubt ask me in the personal number for the phone. Okay, otherwise you come see the same illustration 1 exercise other comparative exercise illustration exercise 2 second 3 4 5 it's the same concept for the this lesson. Okay, thank you.